Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm Salman Faris, math tutor working in a CBSE school. This is the first video in our channel. So in this video we'll see some basic problems in differentiation. So let me get into the topic now. So we'll start a concept with a simple problem. Let me take an equation y equal to x cube. Let me take this to be my equation 1. The equation given as y equal to x cube, right? Now, when we want to differentiate any particular equation, we can differentiate here. What are the variables here in this particular equation? We have two variables. One is x, the other one is y, right? Now, when we want to differentiate this particular equation, we can differentiate with respect to two variables. Either I can differentiate with respect to x or I can differentiate with respect to y. For the first problem, I'll do both so that if you have any confusions, it will be cleared in this video, right? So let me take this. Let me start with the normal procedure. That is, we'll start with respect to x. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Yes. Now the formula that we are going to use, the only formula that we are going to use here is d dx of x power n. That is derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Right. Now this formula, not only we can use for x, we can also use it for y, z. For example, let me take d dy of y power n. The formula, we can use the same formula, n into y power n minus 1. We can use the same formula for z as well, for theta, for any variables, right? Now let me differentiate this equation. So what is the left hand first? Let me start with the left hand side. I have y here. Y is nothing but y power 1. We will not write that 1 usually, but we have that 1 over there, right? So y power 1, if I use this formula, yes, if I use this formula over here, according to this formula, y power 1 derivative is nothing but 1 into y power 1 minus 1. So 1 into y power 1 minus 1 is 0, and anything power 0, it is nothing but 1. So what is my derivative of y? My derivative of y is nothing but 1. Yes, now I have differentiated this. Whenever I have differentiated any variable, I must put this differential coefficient d by d, right? Now what I have differentiated here, and I got 1. I have differentiated y and I got 1 over here. That must be written in the numerator. What variable I have differentiated, that must be written in the numerator. With respect to what variable? With respect to x. So that must be written in the denominator. Okay. Now the left hand side is over, equal to, now I have to differentiate my right hand side. The derivative of x cube according to this formula is 3 into x power 3 minus 1. Now I have differentiated the right hand side. As I told you, whenever we differentiate anything, we must put this d by d. What variable I have differentiated here? In the right hand side, I have differentiated x. Don't tell x cube. What variable? The function is x cube, the variable is x. So what variable I have differentiated, that must be written in the numerator, that is x. With respect to what? With respect to x. This will be constant throughout the procedure. Okay. Differentiation with respect to x. So that must come in the denominator. We'll repeat. The what variable I have differentiated with respect to what variable I have differentiated, that is also x. With respect to also it is x. So this will be cancelled. Now what is left out? Dy, this one I can skip this. What is left out now? Dy by dx equal to right hand side 3x power 3 minus 1 is nothing but 3x power 2. Right. This I have differentiated with respect to x. Now the same equation I'll do with respect to y, so that if you have any doubt, if you have any confusions, it will be cleared now. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. The same problem I'm going to do with respect to y now. Right. Same way the derivative of y, as I told you, the derivative of y is 1. Yes. As I told you, we have to put d by d. What I have differentiated, what variable I have differentiated? I have differentiated y with respect to what variable? Now this is the other new procedure. So here it is with respect to y. Right. Equal to right hand side is derivative of x cube is what? According to this formula, 3x power 3 minus 1. Just now, according to this formula, derivative of x cube is 3x power 3 minus 1. D, as I told you, we have to put d by d. What we have differentiated, what variable here? I have differentiated x with respect to y. So I can cancel these two. Now 1 equal to 3x power 2 dx by dy. But what we want, I want dx by dy. So dx by dy equal to Let me bring this down. So I get 1 by 3x square. Right, this is dx by dy. If I reciprocal this, if I define the reciprocal of it, it will become, left hand side will become dy by dx. Right hand side, the reciprocal of 1 by 3x square is nothing but 3x square. You can clearly check now in both the ways. For dy by dx, I am getting the same answer. So if you take any equation, we can either differentiate with respect to x, also we can differentiate with respect to y, but as teachers, most of what we will do, we will always differentiate with respect to x. Fine. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment. Since this is the first video, we'll just stop with this one problem. In the upcoming videos, we'll deal with some more problems. And if you have any doubts in this particular problem, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.